Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. So today I want to show you how I make sticky rice. I do have a video where I made some sushi. It was my first time making it. But I started by saying I've already done my rice. So I want to show you start to finish how to make sticky rice. This is just short grain rice. You can buy the Thai sticky rice that is for this, but I find that I can use the short grain and it works just fine for me. Obviously the flavor's a little bit different. I have here 2 cups of short grain rice, which I'm going to place in a bigger vessel. I want to show you how cloudy the water is. Can you see that? So it's important that you really rinse your rice very well, several times. I mean, think of it as, this is how I think of it anyways, how long it sits in the warehouses before it's packaged and how long it sits in the shelves before you get it home. So all of those things play an important part. I never ever make rice unless I rinse it several times over. So let's continue. Okay, so here's my rice and I am adding my 2 cups of water. Like so. My lid, your lid, the back of it comes all the way over to your left hand side and then you turn it to the right to lock it into place. Your valve should be unsealed. And then in this case, we're gonna use our menu. There we go. So option 7. And now we're just gonna let it do its thing. All right, guys, so I wanna show you what I have here so far. I'm preparing my vinegar sauce that's gonna go on my rice once it's done. So I have here about 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. And this is not seasoned rice vinegar, it's just a regular. To it, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of cane sugar because it's what I have. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna let it sit here. And all right, guys, so for my sauce, my dipping sauce, I make it a little bit different. Everyone has their own style, and that's perfectly fine. But I just want to show you what I do. I have here roughly about a teaspoon of tomato paste. To it, I'm going to add, this is honey and ginger mix. Honey, with my ginger here to my mix, like you see me do here. You add as much or as little as you like. It just depends on your taste buds. Oh boy. Now, to that, I'm gonna add a little bit of fish sauce. Bear with me. This is about a teaspoon. It depends. I'll probably add a little bit more. I'm not sure yet. I have some sesame seed oil. This stuff is pretty strong, so kind of, if you don't really like how strong it is, you can leave this out. It's up to you. I have some soy sauce. Then I'm gonna go to town with, like so. That's enough. And then I have here my devilish Troy salsa that I make, hot sauce that I make. And I'm gonna add some to that. And then all I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm just gonna mix it really well. And then I'm gonna let it rest because this is gonna become my sauce for my either rice bowls or sushi bowl. I'm not sure. Actually, it's a sushi bowl, huh? Okay, this smells amazing. And there you have it. That's all that I need. Okay, guys, so for extra flavor, I added a tablespoon of fruit spread. And this is pineapple and passion fruit. Pineapple and passion fruit. So I added to my mix here about a teaspoon and a half, I guess, to a tablespoon. You don't have to, but I wanted a little extra flavor. So I went ahead and did that. All right, guys, so our rice is done and our pressure button indicator has gone down, so it is safe to open. And that's what we're going to get ready to do and take a look at what we have. Ooh, oh man. Okay, so this looks really, really good. Okay, so I have dumped my rice in here, and the whole thing is to break it up, but not too slowly. Actually, slowly you start adding this and you start, moving it around, but not too fast because you don't want to make it into a mush, okay? So all we're doing is this, and then I'm gonna, with this fork, I'm kind of doing this so that I can break it up and not have it turn into a hot mashed potato kind of thing. It is pretty sticky. I think the next time I'll add a little bit less water. Too sticky for me. So I'm just saying, maybe I'll add 1 3/4 cups instead of 2 full cups of water. But you get the picture here, what it's supposed to look like. See that? Now I'll add my other bit of this solution. And there you have it. And I'm going to do the same thing I did earlier. Just like this. I decided to go with yellowfin tuna that I bought at Lido's. You can use whatever you want, but I didn't want to fuss too much, so I ended up doing this. So let me just kind of turn you around so you can see what we're working with. And ta-da! There you are. And here's my tuna. Now here I wanted to explain, this is cucumber, but I added a little bit of salt and I put this there so it could absorb all the liquid from the cucumber. Yeah, so I'm just adding the finishing touches to my little bowl here, and a couple of little cilantro for garnish. Okay, so I did not add the avocado after all. And then here we have our sauce that I made previously, and all we're gonna do is this. Oh, you guys, this is a thing of beauty. You can add as much or as little as your little heart desires. But let me give you a close-up of this beauty. Can you look at that? Look at that. It is absolutely beautiful. Thank you for watching, you guys. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.